We are now ready to install Eclipse Streamsheets and the Eclipse Mosquitto MQTT broker. Simply open a terminal window and then go to our website at cedalo.com. On our website, we have predefined scripts for all operating systems to install both components. So click Community Edition, and then you see instructions for Windows, for Linux, for the Macintosh, and of course for Raspberry Pi. So click and copy the Raspberry Pi command, paste it into the terminal and hit the enter key. After a while you will see another menu asking you exactly what to install, so simply hit the enter key, and then after a short while we see a yes no, so type in yes, and it will then continue to download the components and to install the system and to finally start Streamsheet server and the Mosquitto broker. So that's basically it. So on your laptop or on your workstation, you can enter the URL of the Raspberry Pi and you will see the introductory pages. So you have to click through those, you have to accept the agreement, and you have the option to also subscribe to the newsletter, which I will do here. And then you're done and you can log in using admin and password 1234. And that's basically it. So you're in the system.